Welcome to your special time of peace. Let's get comfortable and begin. Allow yourself to relax fully. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, then slowly exhale, letting go of any tension or stress. Continue this deep, rhythmic breathing, bringing your awareness to the present moment. Imagine yourself lying on a soft, grassy hill on a clear night. The moon shines brightly, casting a gentle glow over the landscape. Visualize the stars twinkling above, each one a distant sun, part of a vast galaxy. Imagine the galaxies swirling in the cosmic dance, each one a part of the infinite universe. Feel the immensity of the cosmos and your place within it. Understand that you are a part of this grand design, a unique and essential piece of the universe. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine this cosmic energy filling your body with each inhale. Feel the power and serenity of the universe flowing through you, connecting you to the divine wisdom and love that permeate all existence. Allow yourself to become aware of the subtle yet powerful bond you share with all living beings. Feel the interconnectedness of every atom, every star, and every soul as the boundaries between you and the universe dissolve. This divine energy not only fills you, but also radiates from you, contributing to the harmony and balance of the cosmos. Trust in this infinite source of love and wisdom, knowing that it guides and supports you on your journey. Now, silently or aloud, repeat the following affirmations. Let each affirmation resonate deeply within you, helping you discover your spiritual path and connect with the divine within. I am a divine being of peace and harmony. I am open to the blessings of the universe. I listen to the whispers of my soul. I carry divine faith and hope within me. I am connected to the infinite source of love. I am one with the universe. I am open to the miracles of the universe. I am surrounded by divine love and protection. I am a channel for divine wisdom. I appreciate the divine guidance I receive daily. As you continue to bask in this divine connection, take a moment to feel the profound peace and clarity that surrounds you. Know that the universal energy you've accessed is always available to you, guiding and supporting you on your spiritual journey. Embrace the sense of unity and purpose that comes from being in touch with the divine. When you're ready, gently bring your focus back to the present moment. Begin by slowly deepening your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Wiggle your fingers and toes, grounding yourself in the here and now. Carry with you the serene connection and divine wisdom you've experienced today. Thank you for joining this guided meditation. Remember, the divine within you is always present, guiding and supporting you on your spiritual path.